This is another praise session, and today we're using weights. If you want to use some light weights, we're going to warm up a little. I have a little country tune that I created in Suno. I hope you like it, and we are going to work on strength. It's going to be low impact, a little bit slower than my last video that I did. All right, so come on and join me. First of all, let's just warm up a little bit. We want to soften our knees, engage that core, relax the shoulders, they're down and back. Let's just breathe. Again. Now pull your arm across, stretch. The other one. Now bring it back, clasp like this. Drop, come up, and once again, breathe. Now get your weights if you want to use weights, anywhere from 1 pound to 5 pounds, and let's get started. Let me turn the music on. I hope you enjoy this music. Like I said, I created it. I created the words in Suno, and we put it to a little bit of country music because I'm originally from Texas. Let's go.
This is a day you've given to me. I rise in joy, I choose to believe. Every season you carry me through. My strength is growing, my hope is new. I'm moving freedom, not in fear. You're still working year after year. Gentle bounce, but my faith is strong. I've waited long, but I still belong. You restore my soul, you steady my pace. I feel your goodness in this place. I lift my heart, I lift my feet, moving in a rhythm with peace so sweet. I'm bouncing in faith, alive and free. Every gentle jump brings victory. Low impact, high praise, here I stand, renewed in strength by your loving hand. I'm bouncing in faith, joy on repeat. You're lifting me up from head to feet. I won't slow down, I won't retreat. This is my praise, strong and complete. When nights are restless, minds run fast. You calm my heart, you hold me fast. You remind me who I've always been. More than my age, more than when. You breathe new life into tired bones. You call me strong, you call me whole. I trust your timing, I trust your plan. Still moving forward, yes I can. You restore my soul, you steady my pace. I feel your goodness in this place. I lift my heart, I lift my feet, moving in a rhythm with peace so sweet. I'm bouncing in faith, alive and free. Every gentle jump brings victory. Low impact, high praise, here I stand, renewed in strength by your loving hand. I'm bouncing
That was quick. 4 minutes. You want to do another one? Or we call it quit there? All right. I'm a little out of breath. I did one earlier, so I think I'll call it quit. But let me know if you like this music that I created, and come back next week for another Rebounding with Cheryl to lift up the name of Jesus, because he's our healer. He gives us strength. He keeps us going every day. Yes, and there's no fear in him. Remember that. God bless you. See you next week.